Hi, everyone. Pull up a chair. I keep having this little daydream lately. It's you and me sitting at my kitchen table, the one that faces the big window where the light comes through in the mornings. I've poured us both something warm, some coffee, some tea, whatever feels good to you. And for a few minutes, we just talk. Not about unschooling, philosophy, or the noise online. Just about you and your life, your kids. The thing that's been sitting in the pit of your stomach making this harder than it has to be. I picture you taking a deep breath, exhaling, really exhaling, because you don't have to hold it all alone for a minute. I don't know why this image keeps popping up for me, but I think it's because so many people are carrying unschooling fears quietly. They don't want to say them out loud. They don't want to look like they don't get it. They don't want to disappoint anyone, not their kids, not their partner, not themselves. But what I wish you knew more of was that you're allowed to have fears. You're allowed to ask for help. You're allowed to be human in all of this. You don't have to wait until you're drowning to reach out. Every week, I hear the same questions. Am I doing enough? What if there are gaps? What if my child never gets motivated? What if I'm messing this up? Everyone else seems so confident. Why am I falling apart? These questions don't mean you're off track. They're signs that you're stepping out of old patterns and into a rhythm that works better for you and your kids. This is what it looks like when you start trusting yourself again. You're learning how to individualize everything. Your kids' education, your parenting, your whole life. And of course that feels wobbly at times. Nobody taught us how to do this. We were conditioned to follow instructions, not create our own paths. In fact, creating your own path was often discouraged. And now here I am saying, no, the only path forward that actually works for unschooling families is the one you build for yourself. And it's not a one-size-fits-all plan just because the other kids happen to be the same age. And if you feel that tug to compare or to match what your kids that age should be doing, that's just the old age-based checklist talking. Not your child, not real learning, and definitely not unschooling. So I created something new, something simple, something quiet. It's a short page on my website. And it's called Tell Me Your Biggest Unschooling Fear. That's it. Just a place where you can say the thing you haven't said out loud yet. And I'll read it personally. Not an assistant, not an automated reply. And I'll point you to your next step. Not a giant overhaul. Not a list of assignments. Just the next right step that helps you breathe again. Sometimes you just need to be seen. Sometimes you just need a new way to look at something. Sometimes you need permission to stop fighting yourself. And you can find it at unschoolingmomtomom.com/ask-sue. In the navigation bar on the side of every page, you can drop down and it says, what's your biggest fear? So if that's where you are right now, I'd love to hear from you. And for some of you, writing it down won't feel like enough, and that's okay too. Every December, I open up discounted half-hour coaching calls. They're 30 minutes long, $50, and they're perfect for when you need someone to sit with you and help you start your new year with a little more clarity and a little less pressure. It's not some big coaching package. It isn't a huge commitment. It's just us at the table. We can do it on the phone or do it on Zoom, talking through the real stuff so you're not carrying it alone. But if that feels right, you can grab a time slot at the link in the show notes. So wherever you are on your unschooling journey, wobbly, exhausted, hopeful, excited, confused, it's all okay. We all have all those feelings. You just need to talk to somebody that's been there. You don't have to be the strong one all the time. You don't have to hide behind that fear with a brave face, at least not with me. The path forward is not about pretending that you've got it all together. It's about learning how to trust yourself again, to trust your child, and to trust that you're allowed to ask for help along the way. So I'm here when you need me. Happy unschooling.